If we want to have great entrepreneurs, I think this event is what's going to educate a lot of people, not just the people that are presenting, but also the people that's in the audience, the people that may have just see it, or, because the reason why I say that is that they could take their business and with the questions the sharks are asking, make sure you're able to answer that in your business.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I'm looking for someone that is in the field, because for you to be an entrepreneur and for you to succeed in any company or business, you have to understand the business from the inside out. You can't just be on top of it and just think everyone else is going to do the work and you're just going to sit back. It's no such thing. So those are some of the things that I'm looking for as far as an actual person, because I believe that the operator is the business. So how is that operator going to operate in their life, in their business? And I think that's one of the key traits of a successful entrepreneur. I really think, everything's either a product or service, right? And so I want to know what is special about that product or what's special about that service. What's the secret sauce? Why should someone come to that particular business? Why should they buy that product or service? So that's really what I'm going to be listening to. Is it a niche market? Is it a niche product? Is it fitting a gap, or is it, what's so good about it? And that's something that is most important to me. If I'm going to get involved in any business, I want to know how is it going to fulfill or better the world. I've been in product businesses, I've been in services businesses, so I kind of been in a multitude of different type of industries. So I'm always open to learn, and I'm open to learning other industries and willing to work with anyone, to get to where I want to go. So it all depends on, what it is, who's pitching. There's going to be about 5 to 10 people that's going to be pitching. So I'm excited to listen and learn. Those are the things that I'm going to look for. Is do they know what they're talking about? And that's really what I'm looking for. So if someone's just talking about, well, let me get back to you. What do you mean get back to me? How do you not know this? If you're coming to the Shark Tank event, you should know and study, and here's your opportunity. So if they're not prepared, why should we want to invest in anything that, I don't say anything they got going on, but preparation is key to me. Stay determined, stay focused, get as much knowledge of what it is that you want to do, and also follow other people. And that's what I do. I look for the most successful person in a particular industry, and I say, okay, well, what are they doing and how did they get there? And I'm really big on that. Learn from other people and read as much information, because I'm a student. I'm still a student, and I'm still willing to learn. I'm Mr. Wonderful with the raw. I'm kind of, from an analytical standpoint, like Mark Cuban, but then I'm like a Damon John, where he's all about, hey, you know what? He's jumped right into it. You know what? Give me 20% for $200,000. I believe that a rising tide lifts all ships. So if we want to have great entrepreneurs, I think this event is what's going to educate a lot of people, not just the people that are presenting, but also the people that's in the audience, the people that may have just see it, or, because the reason why I say that is that they could take their business and with the questions the sharks are asking, make sure you're able to answer that in your business. So if I'm asking a question and you don't know the answer in your business, then you better go find out or find the answer or start doing the homework on finding the answer. So that's why I think it's going to benefit a lot of people in this community or the business community, because those questions, make sure you could answer them.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit BusinessJournalDaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to AfterHoursYoungstown.com.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.